How to change name in Facebook Lite. The first step is to open up the Facebook Lite application in your device. After you have opened it up, make sure that you're logged in with your account, if not logged in already. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to home page. Now from here, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and then tap on Settings and Privacy, and then again tap on Settings. Once you're here, tap on the first section that says Account Setup. From here, tap on the Profiles option at the top. Now you have to choose your Facebook account. And from here, tap on Name. And now from this page, you can change your name in Facebook Lite. So if you want to change your first name, you can clear this and then change your name. And here there is a small information given to you that says if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So you will not be able to change it again for another 60 days. After 60 days, you will only be able to change your name again. So with that on your mind, once you have changed your name, you can review your name and then tap on Review Change. And here you can preview your name. So choose according to your preference, then tap on Save Changes. And with that, your name has been changed successfully. So that's how you can change name in Facebook Lite, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.